What if the biggest transformation in your life didn't require noise, but silence? What if everything you've been chasing outside is waiting for you within? Tonight, you don't speak, you reprogram. Silence is where your true transformation begins, not in the loud moments of motivation, not in the crowded spaces where everyone is trying to prove something, but in the quiet space where no one is watching and nothing is demanding your attention. Because in that silence, you finally meet the version of yourself that has been shaping your life from behind the scenes, the inner voice that repeats the same patterns, the same fears, the same limitations over and over again until they become your reality. And most people never question it because they are too busy escaping into noise, distractions, and constant stimulation. But the moment you choose silence, you interrupt that cycle and step into awareness. In silence, you begin to observe your thoughts instead of being controlled by them. You start to notice how your mind automatically drifts toward doubt, toward fear, toward past failures. And instead of reacting, you simply watch. And that awareness alone creates distance between you and those limiting patterns, giving you the power to choose something different, something stronger, something aligned with the life you actually want to create. Because the truth is, your mind is always listening, always recording, always learning, and whatever dominates your inner world eventually manifests in your outer world. When you sit in silence with intention, you are not doing nothing. You are doing the most important work of your life. You are entering the space where beliefs are formed and identities are shaped. And instead of letting old programming run on autopilot, you begin to take control gently, consistently, and powerfully, replacing chaos with clarity, fear with confidence, and doubt with certainty, not through force, but through calm repetition and focused awareness, allowing your subconscious to absorb new instructions without resistance. Silence also removes the influence of the outside world, the opinions, the expectations, the noise that constantly tries to define who you should be, and in that absence, you rediscover your own voice, your own vision, your own truth, and that is where real power lies, because when your direction comes from within, instead of being shaped by external pressure, it becomes unshakable, it becomes authentic, it becomes unstoppable. This is why silence is not weakness. It is strength in its purest form. It is the discipline to sit with yourself, to face your thoughts, to reshape your inner dialogue, and to consciously decide who you are becoming. Because every moment you spend in intentional silence is a moment you are reprogramming your mind, rewriting your story, and building a new reality from the inside out, one thought at a time, one belief at a time, one silent decision at a time. Your mind has levels, and most people spend their entire lives trapped on the surface, reacting to stress, noise, pressure, and constant distraction, never realizing that the real power to change their life exists beneath that surface in a calmer, slower, more focused state of awareness, a state where your mind becomes quiet but incredibly receptive, where your body relaxes and your thoughts begin to flow with clarity instead of chaos. And this is the level where transformation truly begins, because your subconscious becomes open to new instructions instead of resisting them. When you intentionally bring yourself into this deeply relaxed state, your breathing slows down, your muscles release tension, and your mental activity shifts from scattered thinking into a more controlled and peaceful rhythm. And in that moment, you are no longer overwhelmed by the outside world. You are centered within yourself, fully aware, yet deeply calm. And this balance creates the perfect environment for reprogramming, because your mind is no longer in defense mode, it is in receiving mode, ready to accept whatever you consistently impress upon it. Most people try to change their lives while they are stressed, anxious, or distracted, but in those states the mind is closed, guarded, and resistant to change. It clings to old patterns because they feel familiar and safe. But when you enter this calm mental frequency, resistance fades, and the subconscious becomes like fertile soil, ready to accept new beliefs, new images, new possibilities, and whatever you plant in that moment begins to take root without struggle, without force, without conflict. This is why learning to shift into this state is not just helpful, it is essential, because it allows you to bypass the noise of the conscious mind and communicate directly with the deeper part of yourself, that controls your habits, your reactions, and your perception of reality. And once you gain access to that level, you are no longer trying to fight your old self. You are quietly transforming it from within, reshaping the patterns that once held you back into patterns that move you forward. In this state, time feels slower, your imagination becomes stronger, and your focus becomes sharper, allowing you to direct your thoughts with intention instead of letting them wander aimlessly. And this is where you begin to realize that you are not a victim of your mind. You are the one guiding it, shaping it, and directing it toward the life you choose to create. And the more consistently you practice entering this state, the more natural it becomes, until eventually it is no longer something you do occasionally. It becomes a part of who you are, a powerful inner skill that allows you to access clarity, control, and creative power whenever you choose to go within. Once your mind becomes calm and receptive, you step into the most powerful ability you possess, the ability to create reality in your imagination before it ever appears in your physical world. And this is where most people make a critical mistake. They think about what they want instead of truly seeing it. They stay at the level of vague wishes instead of building clear, detailed inner experiences, and because of that, their subconscious receives weak signals, inconsistent images, and uncertain instructions, which leads to delayed or limited results. But when you learn to visualize with clarity and intention, everything begins to change. Visualization is not daydreaming. It is a deliberate mental process where you construct a vivid picture of your desired reality as if it is happening right now, not someday in the future, not as a distant goal, but as a present experience. And the more detailed you make that image, the more real it becomes to your subconscious. You see the environment, the people, the colors, the movement, you hear the sounds, you feel the emotions, you immerse yourself completely until it no longer feels like imagination. It feels like memory, and this is the moment your mind begins to accept it as truth. Your subconscious does not question what you repeatedly show it. It simply absorbs and acts on it. So if your inner images are filled with doubt, fear, and limitation, that is what it works to create. But if your inner images are filled with success, confidence, and clarity, it begins aligning your thoughts, decisions, and behaviors to match that vision, guiding you toward opportunities, ideas, and actions that bring that imagined reality into physical form, often in ways you cannot logically predict but will eventually recognize. The key is consistency and emotional involvement, because a single clear image is powerful, but repeated clear images become programming. They become instructions that your mind follows automatically, shaping your perception and influencing your behavior without conscious effort. And when you add emotion to those images, when you feel the excitement, the gratitude, the certainty of already having what you desire, you amplify the signal even more, making it stronger, deeper, and more impactful on your subconscious. You are not just imagining for the sake of feeling good. You are training your mind to recognize a new version of reality as normal, familiar, and expected. And once something feels normal to your subconscious, it begins to move you toward it naturally, without resistance, without hesitation, because your mind always works to match your inner world with your outer experience, and the clearer and more consistent your visualization becomes, the faster that alignment takes place, turning what once felt impossible into something inevitable through the quiet power of focused imagination. Deep within your mind, there are beliefs that have been shaping your life for years. Beliefs you did not consciously choose but absorbed through experiences, environments, and repeated thoughts. And these beliefs act like invisible rules that determine what you think is possible, what you believe you deserve, and how far you allow yourself to go. And the problem is, most of these beliefs were formed in moments of fear, doubt, or limitation, yet they continue to operate as if they are absolute truth, silently influencing your decisions and holding you within boundaries you never meant to accept. When you enter a calm and focused mental state, you gain access to these hidden patterns, and for the first time you can observe them without being controlled by them. You begin to recognize the quiet voice that says you are not ready, that you are not capable, that success is too far away, and instead of accepting those thoughts as reality, you question them, you challenge them, and most importantly, you replace them with something stronger, something intentional, something aligned with the person you are becoming. Replacing limiting beliefs is not about repeating random positive phrases while your mind is distracted or resistant. It is about introducing new ideas into your subconscious when it is most open and receptive, when your defenses are down and your awareness is high. And in that moment, every statement you repeat carries more weight, more influence, more power to reshape your inner programming, because your subconscious is not analyzing or rejecting, it is absorbing and integrating. You begin to speak to yourself in a way that reflects your desired identity. You tell yourself that you are capable, that you are focused, that you are disciplined, that opportunities are aligning in your favor. And at first, it may feel unfamiliar, even uncomfortable, because it does not match your old programming. But with repetition in a relaxed and focused state, those new beliefs begin to settle in, replacing the old patterns that once dominated your thinking, slowly shifting your internal dialogue from limitation to empowerment. As these new beliefs take root, your perception begins to change. You start seeing possibilities where you once saw obstacles. You begin taking actions you previously avoided, and you respond to challenges with confidence instead of fear, not because you forced yourself to act differently, but because your internal programming has changed and your behavior is now aligned with your new beliefs, creating a natural and effortless transformation. This process requires patience and consistency because the beliefs that shaped your current reality were not created in a single moment, and they will not disappear instantly. But every time you consciously replace a limiting thought with an empowering one in a calm and focused state, you are rewriting your mental script, strengthening a new identity, and building a foundation that supports the life you are intentionally creating from within. Thoughts alone are not enough to create transformation, because a thought without feeling is weak. It fades quickly. It carries no weight in the deeper layers of your mind, but the moment you attach emotion to a thought, it becomes powerful. It becomes something your subconscious recognizes as important, something it begins to store, repeat, and act upon. And this is where most people fall short. They think about what they want, but they do not feel it. They say the words, but there is no energy behind them, no intensity, no connection. And without that emotional charge, the message never reaches the level where real change occurs. Your subconscious responds to emotional intensity more than logic, more than reasoning, more than effort. It is not convinced by what makes sense. It is influenced by what feels real. So when you enter a calm and focused state and begin to visualize your desired reality, you must go beyond the image and step into the feeling of it. You must allow yourself to experience the joy, the gratitude, the confidence, and the certainty as if it is already yours, because that emotional experience is what signals your mind to accept it as truth. When you feel something deeply, your entire system responds, your body aligns with that emotion, your focus sharpens, your attention locks in, and your subconscious begins to treat that moment as significant, storing it as a reference point for future behavior and perception. And this is how emotional energy becomes the fuel that drives your transformation, turning simple thoughts into powerful instructions that shape your internal programming. The stronger the emotion, the stronger the imprint. And this is why moments of fear or failure can stay with you for years, because they were experienced with intensity. But the same principle can be used in your favor when you intentionally create positive emotional experiences in your mind, when you feel success before it happens, when you feel confidence before you see results. You are building new emotional patterns that your subconscious will follow, gradually replacing old reactions with new, empowering responses. This is not about pretending or forcing emotions that are not there. It is about allowing yourself to fully step into the reality you are creating in your mind, to feel it without resistance, without doubt, without hesitation, even if it is just for a few moments at a time, because those moments accumulate. They build momentum, they strengthen your belief, and over time, what once felt like imagination begins to feel natural, familiar, and real. As this emotional connection deepens, your actions begin to change, not because you are pushing yourself, but because you are becoming someone who naturally thinks, feels, and behaves differently, someone who is aligned with their vision on both a mental and emotional level. And this alignment creates a powerful force that moves you forward with clarity, confidence, and purpose, allowing your inner world to guide your outer results in a way that feels effortless yet incredibly effective. Reprogramming your mind is not something that happens in a single moment of inspiration. It is not a one-time practice you do when you feel motivated and then forget when life gets busy. It is a process that requires consistency, repetition, and quiet discipline, because your current reality was not created overnight. It was built through repeated thoughts, repeated emotions, and repeated patterns that became automatic over time. And if you truly want to change your life, you must be willing to create new patterns with the same level of repetition and commitment. Every time you enter silence and intentionally direct your thoughts, you are reinforcing a new pathway in your mind. You are strengthening a new way of thinking, feeling, and perceiving yourself and the world around you. And at first, it may feel like nothing is happening, like the changes are too small to notice, but beneath the surface, something powerful is taking place. Your subconscious is slowly being reshaped, your old patterns are being weakened, and your new programming is becoming stronger with each repetition. Consistency is what transforms temporary effort into permanent change, because your mind learns through repetition. It adapts to what you consistently expose it to, and whatever you practice daily becomes your default state. So when you commit to this process, even for a few minutes each day, you are sending a clear message to your subconscious that this new way of thinking is important, that it is real, that it must be maintained, and over time, it begins to accept it fully, turning what once required effort into something natural and automatic. There will be moments when you do not feel like practicing, when your mind drifts back to old habits, when distractions pull you away from your focus. And this is where discipline becomes essential. Not harsh discipline, but quiet, steady commitment. The decision to show up for yourself even when it is not convenient, even when you do not see immediate results. Because true transformation is not about intensity, it is about persistence. It is about continuing the process long enough for the changes to take root and become part of who you are. As you stay consistent, you will begin to notice subtle shifts. Your thoughts become more controlled, your emotions become more stable, your reactions become more intentional, and your confidence begins to grow, not because of external validation, but because you can feel the change within yourself. You can sense that you are no longer the same person you used to be. You are evolving, expanding, becoming more aligned with the version of yourself you have been creating in your mind. Eventually, this daily practice becomes a part of your identity, something you do naturally without resistance, without effort, because it is no longer something you are trying to do. It is something you are, a person who understands the power of their mind and uses it intentionally, quietly, and consistently to shape their reality from the inside out, allowing their actions, decisions, and results to reflect the new programming they have built through disciplined and focused repetition.